And welcome to another rendition of Hashtag City Cooking Challenge, where today was more of a mission because I got Swiss cheese, I got butter, I got raisins, which I don't like, and I got pecans, whatever you want to call it. But I was like, I have some bread at home, I have some ham, well, turkey, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna make a croque monsieur, or in my case, un Señor Jesus, because it doesn't have the ingredients that it needs. But let's check it out. First step, we're gonna make the bechamel so we can let it sit, so we can make that croque monsieur. It's gonna be my version. I know you need other cheeses and stuff like that, but we're gonna work with what we got. Okay, so again, bechamel first, equal part butter to equal part flour. Add the flour, and then we're gonna whisk. Okay, and then the next part is going to be the milk. You're gonna get this consistency, and then you're gonna pour the milk. Don't let it burn. Don't let it burn. And now that you get this consistency, like it's a little creamy, because it's supposed to be creamy, you add, you add salt, yes, and some pepper to taste. Look at the bechamel. I added a little bit of nutmeg, a hint of mustard, and bam. So I'm over here pre-toasting the bread because we don't want soggy bottoms, never. Ooh, look at those toasty bread. So once you've toasted the bread, time to construct the croque monsieur. Okay, once constructed, you can't forget what you did, the bechamel, you know. Ooh. But we're not done yet. Yeah, we're closing, but guess what? We add more. Look at that. And we're going to put more cheese. Oh my. Now that you put more calories on top of your calories, more carbs, you know, just sprinkle more cheese. Oh yeah. Now put it on broil and let it burn. Well, not burn, but you know what I mean. Right, we are ready. Look at this croque monsieur. Oh. Ooh. Wait, look at that. And welcome back. We got done with our croque monsieur, or Señor Jesus. Don't think it's religious, that's my name, okay? But here we go. Oh my god, yes. This doesn't have ham, this is turkey and Swiss cheese and Parmesan cheese and bechamel that I made. You saw it in the video. Now let's get to tasting. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So cheesy. It's filled with calories, and you know it's good. When something is filled with calories, it's super good. And that's on period. It's so good. Yep. Recommend it. Again, you don't have to have the fancy supplies. All you have to do is the willpower and the love to make yourself a croque monsieur. So we are done with Hashtag City Cooking Challenge. Hope to see you next time. Again, go get the food at the food drive, because if we don't pick it up, it goes to waste. Thank you for watching. Till next time.